Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Are you fine? Welcome back to our Hindi class. It's me, your Rajana ma'am. Okay, so we already completed the lesson Samichdar Bakriyam and the notes of Samichdar Bakriyam. So today we can discuss the textual activities of Samichdar Bakriyam. So for that, all of you take your textbook and pencil also. All of you take page number 50. ओके द फर्स्ट सेक्शन दिए गए शब्दों का उच्चारण करो pronounce the following words I will read the words you have to repeat after me okay first word bakariyam bakariyam next word pull pull next word kinara kinara and the next word is sahayog sahayog okay then the second section सही विकल्प पर सही का चिन्ह लगाओ टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन नहर के किनारे कैसी घास उगेगी नहर के किनारे कैसी घास उगेगी here we have three options हरी हरी लाल पीली रूखी सूखी कैसी घास उगेगी how was that grass yes it is in green color so first option is the correct answer hari hari okay you can put the tick mark on hari hari you can put the tick mark on hari hari okay then the second question क्या गिरने से नहर पर पुल सा बन गया था something fell down there that's why they can use that thing as a like a bridge right so which thing it was the first option is fool and the second option is paid and the last option is pahad what thing was that yes it is tree so the answer is paid so you can put the tick mark on second option क्या गिरने से नहर पुल सा बन गया था पेड़ गिरने से so answer is paid then third question पुल पर कौन सी बकरी बैठ गई थी पुल पर कौन सी बकरी बैठ गई थी we can see the picture here which बकरी which god sat on the bridge it is the second god it was second god so answer is here we have three options first one pahali and second one dusari and third one tisari so the second god is the answer is second option dusari you can put the tick mark on dusari okay and the next section is निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर दो that we already completed then the second next section that means question number 4 सही वाक्य पर टिक और गलत वाक्य पर क्रॉस का चिन्ह लगाओ ओके सो द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट नहर गहरी थी फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज नहर गहरी थी द कैनल वाज डीप वी नो इट इज ट्रू सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू यू कैन पुट द टिक मार्क देयर नहर गहरी थी एंड नेक्स्ट वन नहर के पार जाना आसान था नहर के पार जाना आसान था इज इट करेक्ट इट वाज इजी टू क्रॉस द कैनल इज इट करेक्ट नो इट वाज नॉट इजी नहर के पार जाना आसान नहीं था दैट इज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट सो दिस सेंटेंस इज wrong so you can put the cross mark there okay then the third question नहर पर एक जगह पेड़ गिरा था नहर पर एक जगह पेड़ गिरा था one tree fell on a place on the canal that is correct so you can put the tick mark on there and the next question दूसरी बकरी पुल पर बैठ गई थी दूसरी बकरी पुल पर the second god sat on the bridge that also correct the second god sat on the bridge so that statement also correct you can put the tick mark on there नेक्स्ट बकरियां नहर में डूब गई बकरियां नहर में डूब गई इज इट करेक्ट नो they already they cross that bridge. So that statement is not correct. You can put the cross mark there. The next section is यह बात किस बकरी ने कही? पहली बकरी ने या दूसरी बकरी ने? Who said the following statements? First goat or second goat? So the first section, first question, बहन यह पुल बहुत तंग है, किसने कहा? या दूसरी बकरी ने कहा. किसने कहा? दूसरी बकरी ने. बहन यह पुल बहुत तंग है, दूसरी बकरी ने कहा. यू कैन राइट देयर दूसरी बकरी. नेक्स्ट वन, अब क्या करें? ये किसने कहा? अब क्या करें? ये किसने कहा? पहली बकरी ने कहा. यू कैन राइट देयर पहली बकरी. ओके, मैं पुल पर बैठ जाती हूँ. एट फर्स्ट हु सेड दिस सेंटेंस? एट फर्स्ट मैं पुल पर बैठ जाती हूँ. आई विल सिट ऑन द ब्रिज. हु सेड दिस सेंटेंस एट फर्स्ट? इट वाज पहली बकरी. यू कैन राइट देयर पहली बकरी. एंड लास्ट वन, नहीं मैं बैठ जाती हूँ. नो, आई विल सिट ऑन द bridge. At last who said this? At last who sat on the bridge? It was second goat. So दूसरी बकरी. You can write there दूसरी बकरी. So the answer is first one दूसरी बकरी, second one पहली बकरी, third one पहली बकरी and the last one दूसरी बकरी. Okay. Okay, निम्नलिखित शब्दों से वाक्य बनाओ. That we already we completed in our notes. Okay, the last section, पढ़ो और समझो. Read and understand. कुछ शब्द नाम वाले शब्दों के बारे में बताते हैं कि वे कैसे हैं. कुछ शब्द नाम वाले शब्दों के बारे में बताते हैं कि वे कैसे हैं. जैसे हरी घास, सफेद बकरी. Some words describe the naming words that how they are. Some words describe the naming words that how they are. For example, green grass. For example, green grass. So here the grass is described as green. That green color is the specialty of that grass. So that green color is, here the green color is adjective. I think you already studied in this adjective in your English, right? So here green grass. The green color is the specialty of that grass. Okay, so that green color is the adjective. In Hindi, what will we say? You know? Do you know what it is? Yes, it is visheshan. For adjective in Hindi we will say visheshan. So hari घास. घास means grass. Hari matlab green. So here this hari is visheshan shabd. Okay, one more word is here, safed bakari. Safed bakari matlab white goat. Here the goat is described as white. So here which word is adjective? White. So white is the adjective word here. That means visheshan. Which shabd is visheshan? सफेद बकरी में सफेद is the विशेषण. सफेद बकरी, इसमें सफेद विशेषण शब्द है. Okay. So I will show one more example. Listen. सुंदर कपड़ा. Beautiful dress. सुंदर कपड़ा. So the sundar is the visheshan shabd. Okay, understand? Okay, so some more example are here in our textbook. You can take the page number 52. चित्रों को उनके विषय में बताने वाले शब्दों से मिलाओ. Match the pictures with the describing words. So here we can see 5 pictures are here and 5 words also are here. These words are the describing words. We have to match it. Okay, so the first picture is one goat picture, bakari. So what is the specialty of that bakari? we can see it is in black color. So what is the Hindi word of black? Kala. Okay. So that word is there. So that is the first answer. Okay. Kali. Then next, second picture. Yes, it is tomato. Tomato. What is the specialty of this tomato? We can see it is in red color. So what is the Hindi word of red? Lal. Okay, so that word also there. So you can match it. Then next is one ice cube. What is the specialty of that thing? It is very cold. So what is the Hindi word of cold? Tanda. So that is the answer. Next is grass. Next is घास का चित्र है. What is the specialty of this? We can see it is in green color, but that word is not here. So in this lesson we already study what घास नरम है. नरम मतलब soft. So that word is here. You can match it here to there. Okay. The last one, आग. So what is the specialty of that fire? It is too hot. So what is the Hindi word of hot? Garam. So you can match it like this. Okay. So बकरी से काली, टमाटर से लाल, and ठंडा, नरम, garam. Okay. Okay, children. So you have to complete this all textual activities today itself. So we already completed this lesson. You can study this lesson and have to complete all the copies. So you have to write all the copies whenever you are getting free time. You should write your copy book. Okay. So now we can wind up today's class. धन्यवाद बच्चों.